I am Dr. Rakesh Dhumare. In this lecture, we will discuss decision control statements in Python programming. Decision control statements or decision making statements in programming languages decides the direction of flow of program execution. In our daily life, we do many things which depends on some kind of conditions. For example, if I study, I will pass exams. If he is hungry, he will eat, etc. Sometimes in the program we need the statements to execute under some conditions, like if the value is equal to this, then this will happen, and if not equal to this, then this will not happen. This can be achieved in Python programming using decision control statements in Python. We have two types of control statements in Python. Decision control statements like if else, if if else. And another type in decision control statement is flow control statements where for, while break, continue. These are the decision control statements. Let's start with the first one, if statement. The if statement is a similar to other language like in Java, C, C++, etc. It is used when we have to take some decision like the comparison between anything or to check the presence and give us either true or false. The syntax for if statement is if and expression means we have to check some condition here, then code to be executed under the condition. If this condition is true, then we have to continue this program like statement 1 and statement 2. So here flowchart of if statement is shown. If condition is true, then go for the condition code. If condition is false, then go for the next condition. So this is the flowchart for if statement. Then this is the example of if statement where variable 1 is equal to 10 and variable 2 is equal to 12 if variable 2 is greater than variable 1. This is the condition. If this condition is true, then print variable 2 is greater than variable 1, and if variable 2 is less than variable 1, then print variable 1 is smaller than variable 2. So these are the conditions, these are the examples which are used in if statement. There is another statement which is called as the if else statement. The else statement can be used with the if statement. It usually contains the code which is to be executed at the time when the expression in the if statement returns the false. There can only be one else in the program with every single if statement. It is optional to use the else statement with if statement. It depends on your condition. The syntax for if statement is if expression is true, then execute statement 1 or statement 2. If this condition is not true, then go for the statement 1, statement 2, which are the different conditions. Where here flowchart is shown. If expression is true, then body of if you have to execute, otherwise go for the else condition. This is the example where again variable 2s are considered. If these conditions are true, then print variable 1 is greater than variable 2, else go for the printing variable 1 is less than the variable 2. Then elif statement. The elif statement in the Python is used to check the multiple expression for true and execute a block of code as soon as one of the condition returns to true. Elif is a keyword used in Python in replacement of else if to place another condition in the program. This is called chained conditional. Chained condition allow than two possibilities and need more than two branches. The syntax of elif statement is shown here. If expression, then execute statement 1, elif statement 2, then else go for the statement 3. This is the example for finding largest number among three given numbers. here age 1, age 2, age 3, these are given here, which are 15, 12 and 19. Then if age 1 is 12, less than 12, my age is age 1. If age 1 is greater than or equal to 12 and less than 18, then printf my age is 2. Else execute then when the age 1 is 19, print my age is greater than is equal to 19. So this is the example of if else. Thank you. We will discuss remaining control statements in the next video.